Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to disable a TalkBack on this device. So in this device, I already enable the TalkBack. So if you want to select the gallery, just make a double tap. Make a tap. If you want to select that option, just make a double tap. Okay. Now let me show you how to disable this one. Simply go to settings. For the just make a tap. If you want to select this one, just make a double tap.
What are you looking for?
Okay.
Back. Keep settings.
Now go to the main page of the settings. Tap on the option accessibility. Then here you can see the option TalkBack. Select this one. Then again make a double tap. To disable this one, first of all we will select this one. Then again make a double tap. Then again select the option turn off. Then again make a double tap. Yeah, successfully we disabled the TalkBack on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.